Okay, so the next problem we're going to do is $40 minus $19.73. I highly suggest you change the $40 to $39.99 and then add that missing penny at the end of your problem. And you'll notice why, because there's just so much borrowing at the beginning of this problem because you have 3 zeros in a row. But if you want to do the borrowing, that is fine too. I know, like Kaden, you prefer to do the borrowing like that. That is totally fine because you don't mess up, and that's good. So if you want to do the borrowing, do it. I'm going to give you a couple minutes, write this problem down, try to solve it. Okay, if you found yourself getting stumped, let me kind of walk you through it. You notice at the beginning there are 3 zeros in a row, ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. So the first place you can borrow from is your thousands, really. Well, it's technically your tens place, but I won't get into that. So what you're going to do is borrow from your 4. It will become a 3. And the 0 next door becomes a 10. Then you're going to have to borrow from that 10. It becomes a 9. The 0 next door becomes a 10. Borrow from that 10. It becomes a 9. The 0 in your ones place becomes a 10. Then you can actually start the problem and start subtracting from there. And your answer should be $20.27. You may want to take some time and practice that. For the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and move on. This is a problem that you will see on your workbook page. It is a gift card problem. So this says Austin was given a gift card worth $50. He bought a remote-controlled truck for $29.87 and a package of batteries for $5.98. How much money is left on the gift card? So I'm sure you've seen a problem like this before, or I'm sure you've been in a situation like this before. You have so much money on a gift card, you go to the store and go shopping, you try to buy some items, you're going to have to calculate how much you've spent in your head a little bit before you go up to the register. So let's look at what he's bought. He bought a remote-controlled truck. How much did it cost? About $30, okay, $29.87, and a package of batteries, probably for the remote-controlled truck, for $5.98, so that's almost $6. How much money is left on the gift card? So what you're going to need to do is add up the amount of money that these two items cost, how much the remote controlled truck costs and how much the batteries cost. So add those two amounts together. You can pause this video and add them together. I encourage you, if you're with a parent, parents, pause the video, make them add it up, but I'm going to keep going. And then you will get $35.85. Okay, but that's not the answer to the problem. The problem asks you how much money is left on the gift card. So the gift card was worth $50, and our learning target here is to be able to count change back to somebody. So if he had $50 on his gift card and he only spent $35.85, you would need to figure out how much money he has left on his gift card. He didn't spend all of his money. So you're doing addition and subtraction in this problem. So you're going to take how much money he spent on his two items, and you are going to subtract it from the amount that was on the gift card. So pause the video, subtract $35.85 from $50. Pause. Subtract. $14.15 should be your answer. Congratulations if you got it right. You'll see that on your workbook page.